How to make the best use of your pandemic hours. Save hundreds of dollars on your auto insurance while you're home. You're there doing nothing. You're dead tired of watching TV. You binged everything you can binge. Make some money while you're there. The New York State Safety Council.com provides a New York DMV approved defensive driving course for drivers to reduce up to 4 points on their record and get a mandatory insurance discount for 3 years. This online course can be completed from the comfort of your home or while you're on the go with a mobile device. Now, it's not that you have to have marks on your license to take this course. You could take this course simply to reduce your insurance costs over the next 3 years. Uh, you could Google online defensive driving courses for your state or New York State. I'm not recommending one company over another. I'm just saying go online, research, get the best deal. I pay 25 for mine. Now, the next thing you can do is 5 ways to save on car insurance. Compare insurance costs when you are researching cars to buy. Choose a low profile car. Choose a hybrid. Drive a car that's considered lower risk. Choose a car that has fewer claims. So it makes a lot of sense to shop for a car thinking about how much it's going to cost you to insure it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Like us on Facebook. Click the bell to be notified when we put up a new video. And be safe, be careful. This thing is invisible. It can get you without you even knowing that you got it. Or be with someone that may have it and you never can tell if they do. So be careful, use your mask, wash your hands, and be safe because we want you around for the next video. Bye-bye.